Good afternoon, students. Welcome to my English handwriting class. But before starting the class, if you are new my channel, so please like, share, subscribe and comment my video, and do not forget to press the bell icon. So children, in our class so far, we have learned simple letter and cursive letter. At the same time, we have also learned to make words and sentences. So that will be today's class. In it, we will learn to make calligraphy letter, which will be a little difficult for you, but you will have a lot of fun inside it. But let me tell you one thing before writing the calligraphy letter, that cursive and calligraphy letter will always come in the diagnostic lines. I have got you practice of diagonal lines in my first video, so you can go and see it. You have to watch carefully. I will get it done very slowly, get it done well, so that if you understand I am going to write here, you will watch carefully. Calligraphy letters are somewhat thick and thin. To write it, you do not have to keep the lead of your pencil, you have to keep it a bit thick. Do not keep too thick. So let me write to you and tell me some letters so that you know how to write. Here I have placed the pencil and you have to rotate the round by holding the pencil with the light hand like this. After that you have to rotate once and go up. When you go up, press the pencil and come down like this, and again it has to be rotated by rolling round upward. Then from here you have to hold a pencil with the light hand like this and apply a light line like this. Then when you go up, you have to press the pencil a little bit and you have to go upward while lightening it. So this has become A. Now you have to make small in the same way. Now I will make other letters like this as well. I will write again calligraphy A like this, like this. Now small a like this, then light like this. I'll write again capital B like this, small b like this, capital C like this, small c capital D like this, small d So kids, as I told you that what are the calligraphy letters, they are very difficult to write. That's why I have written you only 4 letters here today. So you also practice slowly in the same manner. After that, the speed you have will automatically become faster. Do not do anything in a hurry because it will go wrong. So 4 letters in the next class and will forward you. Bye.